In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade in XM. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to open your account on XM, and then when you get the access to your dashboard, you have to go ahead and open up a trading account. So this can be real or demo, it's completely up to you. If you want to know how to open up each and every single one of these, I have separate tutorials on that on my channel as well, so make sure you watch those first. After you have your account over here selected, and then to trade, you have to go to Markets, top left, and you have to select what you want to trade. So you can go under popular, you have forex, stocks, etc. So there's a bunch of different things, and just select the one you would like to trade. I'm gonna go with Euro USD currency pair in forex over here. And then on the right, you can buy or sell. Select if you want the amount in quantity or lots. And then here, you can either set a limit order or a take profit and stop loss. Of course, that's completely up to you if you want to do that. If not, you can just do a basic order. And then you have to click on the place order over here, just like this, confirm it. And then your order is going to be placed and you basically have begun trading. You can go to trades over here and you can see your open positions, your pending orders, history, etc. And just like that, basically you can trade in XM. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.